Hello viewers, today I was telling about fix Instagram messages update not showing Instagram messages icon missing. For that we need to go to Play Store and update your Instagram account. I was going to Play Store, it was updated. After that come back, click long press on your Instagram account. I was clicking long press on Instagram account. After that click on app info, and here we need to go to notifications, turn on all the notifications. After that here we need to click on additional settings. Here we have a settings of messages. You need to turn on all the which have. After that come back, go to Instagram account,
Don't forget that you
click on your profile. Here we have a three horizontal lines. Click on that. Here you need to click on additional settings and privacy, and come it slowly come down, scroll it down. After that you need to click on messages and story replies. Click on that. After we need to click on message controls, and here we need to on all the axes which we have. Again, after that your messages are not coming means just click on three horizontal lines, click on settings and privacy, and here we need to go to help account, report a problem, include and continue. Here we need to click on messages are not showing, icons icon symbol is missing. I was sent out within 24 hours your problem will be rectified. Thank you.